How to log out Telegram account remotely from all devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's launch the Telegram application on the device, and after that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top left corner over here. Then scroll down to tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and then tap on devices over here. So as you tap on devices, you'll be able to see all the other devices that you have been logged in. Now, if you want to log out from all the devices, all you can do is tap on this option of terminate all other sessions. So as you tap on that, you'll be given a little heads up that says if you really want to terminate all the other sessions, you'll be logged out. So just tap on terminate and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.